come on in, welcome to my home. I have that big get-together. This is the final, I have no idea what order I'm showing these in. But these are just going to be simple chocolate chip cookies. Nothing extraordinary. I'm tired. We all get that way. So let's just do this. It's really easy. All the ingredients are listed down below. Let me get out my little whisk. So to my flour, I'm going to add my baking soda. Lightly whisk that together. And I really do understand that you right now are like, oh my gosh, I've done all this baking with Christmas and everything. Oh yeah, I get it. All right, now let's take these ingredients. We have our butter. I'm using sea salt, nice good pinch of sea salt. Sugar. I'm going to whip that up. While that's going, I'm going to add in my vanilla and my eggs. Of course, you have to scrape. Then, on low, we will add in our flour. Making sure that's locked down, I'm going to add in my chocolate chips, my pecans, and stop. Now let me get this area cleared out. Alright, like I said, basic chocolate chips. Now if you have a nut allergy, can't have nuts, then just leave those out. Alright, now, there we go. I am using my cookie scoop. I am dropping those by the scoopful, leaving quite a bit of room around them. And hopefully you'll do a better job spacing those out than I just did. I know you will. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. These are silicone-lined pans. If you don't have silicone-lined pans, you can use parchment paper. I am making these good-sized cookies. I'm going to take these over to the oven and bake them for about 9 to 11 minutes or until they are lightly golden brown. Alright, the cookies are out of the oven. They look great. I'm going to take one that broke as I was putting it on the cooling rack. Let's give this a taste. Those truly have that traditional cookie taste. They remind me of grandma's cookies. They remind me of, growing up and, Christmas, and Christmas just happened. But they are so good. These are delicious. Now, if you make these, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. Easy cookie. You can do this so quick, so wonderful. You can substitute, like, the chocolate chips for peanut butter chips. You can substitute the pecans for walnut. Leave them out. It's totally up to you. But I love these. I mean, absolutely love these. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.